time for action. In this lecture, we are going to look at the implementation and how to implement or execution or practice of a plan. Essentially speaking, it is putting your strategies into actions. Implementation is the action that must follow any preliminary thinking or strategy in order for something to actually happen. That is what we have already done. We have analyzed the situation. We have come up with our forecast, with our strategies. We have already gone through the preliminary thinking, and now it's time we should act on it. We should start working on it. We have already planned our work, and now we are going to work our plans. They say that the greatest strategy is doomed if implemented badly.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.